Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I don't know if you guys familiar with this plant. I'm not sure if you guys familiar with this plant, but these plants does be everywhere. All through your yard, all through the roadside, everywhere. But the thing about it is a lot of people don't know the benefit. Now I use this and I make tea. I use the root. I pull up the plant and I use the root and I boil the root and drink it. These things really benefit for you guys. It's a lot of things you see and you have no idea what they can do to benefit you. But let me try to show you how the leaves look from the bottom. This is the leaf down to the bottom. I'm trying to carry it as close as possible. And this is what it be, these flowers. You could use this and you could dry it and you could make your own tea. All right? And the root, you could boil it and it could help. It can help with a lot of basically things that affecting you, diabetes, all these kind of stuff. It can help. I didn't say it can cure, I say it can help prevent. Okay, so this is a very good product that you guys need to look into. Have a lot of benefit. Okay, all I do, I pick these, I pick them and I dry them. I pick them, dry them, and I make tea with them. And I also boil the root of this plant and drink. There's a lot of benefit. I'm gonna put the name in the description so you could know the name and you could look it up as well. You could go on Google and you could look up the name of the plant. All right? And then you're gonna see a lot of benefit you can get from this plant. But this plant is everywhere, by the roadside, by in everybody's yard. But a lot of people don't know the benefit. So guys, look into this plant. All right? Very beneficial. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.